Kadha drink or herbal tea is one of the best drink with lots of healthy benefits. Daily consumption of this drink is recommended by ancient Ayurveda. This is a homemade traditional aromatic drink is made with number of Indian whole spices. Like I have used here tulsi, ginger, cinnamon, cardamom, black pepper, cloves, bay leaf that are boiled usually in water to extract their benefits. This drink protects against the risks of any diseases and has the power to boost our immunity system. So friends, today I'm going to show you making of this drink. Keep watching my videos, share with your friends, give a big subscribe to my channel, and it is absolutely free. Tap the bell icon for more updated videos. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, try it out at your home, comment me and give a giant thumbs up. Eat healthy, stay strong, stay safe. Till then, bye bye. See you.